Hope they're traction. Hopefully. There's your fitness center. I like this wall pattern. This is cool. This is a nice little hotel. It's a what?
It's probably a newer one. Either that or it's extensively remodeled.
Maybe Synergy.
Oh, it's definitely ThyssenKrupp.
Oh, for sure.
Pretty big cabs.
Yeah, these are sizable.
There's a little escape hatch up there you can see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's see here.
Oh, traditional? Oh, no.
Oh, wow. This is, oh, it's got the rare indicator with the black background.
It still looks red on that camera. Hydraulic.
Yeah. Oh, it's got the new ThyssenKrupp logo.
Yeah, it's one of the newer. This is definitely a newer hotel now.
Yes. It's a well-running hydro, I'll give it that.
Yeah. That's probably like Endura is brand new.
Picture picture?
Yeah. You want to hop on?
We can stay on if you want. Or let's ring the down chime line as well. Oh, it's giving us this one now. Might as well ride the other one.
Why?
Beats me. Guess we'll get both of them.
That's easy. Okay, yes, that is blue. For some reason, the fixtures looked green on
They
mine.
do look green on. They look pretty blue on mine. Whew.
For a little bit, they looked green, then it went to blue.
Uh-huh.
I'm guessing it's just because these lights are the same
Yeah.
refresh rate as the camera.
This is very nice for a ThyssenKrupp hydro.
Are ThyssenKrupp hydros generally not nice?
Not really, but this is just nice with the
Yeah,
scrolling
it's
arrow.
a dark, very dark indicator.
I like it though. It looks a lot nicer in my opinion.
Yeah.
And I like the scrolling arrow. Social distance, 6 feet apart.